Hello, today I want to share with you I absolutely love this ULANZI light for my DJI Action 5 Pro camera, and this one I specifically bought for the night time because I want to add a little bit more light to my videos when I film at night. And also what I love about this light, so as you can see right here I have my extension rod, but right here I can easily attach this camera, and if I'm filming horizontal it adds right nice touch for my camera, and I can also swap it and do it vertical if I need to. But also I want to mention right here that look at this button and look at my DJI Action 5 Pro camera button. They look very similar, and as you can see we kind of turn off all of the lights right here, but I can also include for you night footage right here. And here right now I can turn on the light and I can make it more brighter, even more brighter, or more dimmable. And here's close-up look on this ULANZI light for my DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro camera. We also have our charger right here, and you can see we can just put it on a charger right there. Super easy. And I also love that I can easily clip it on my camera, and you can turn it off right here. Very similar button to your camera actually, so it's super nice. And you can have two modes right here, more brighter one, more brighter more, and more dimmable. So yeah, if you like filming at night and you need more light, this one actually works pretty good. And here I just want to show you a very quick test with this small extra lightening I just add to my DJI Osmo Action 5. You can see how much light I can just pick up outside in the night just with that little light. And here I just want to turn it off for you super quick. And look at that. It's like completely dark. We can still pick up a little bit of lights like here and there, like spotlight on my plants in the garden, but it's just completely dark. And here I can turn on this ULANZI little mini light, which attaches right to my camera, and look at that. Totally different. Love this light, absolutely worth it. Highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching.